Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya. Guys, let's just unpack again on Usenzo Meyiwa. I just wanted to say, ukuthi yazini uGininde uyazazi yena where he is getting the envelope brown. And I feel good to Sayitola to this day. Because you can't go on like this. With these lies. Hayi phela kaGininde guys amanga are beyond me. I'm just like awangeke guys. Ngelinye ilanga fanele ube nawe ukhathale and be like ayingeke. I'm done with these lies. He's not even stopping. He's just like, you know what? I don't know when to stop. I'm just gonna continue with these lies. They're working for me. Just as much as Ebambega here and there, you know how it's been. Omnisi has been exposing the guy. And Uratu Pizu Yamelu Yamkulumela, and it's just not working. Urotu just lashes out on Omnisi. Really, guys? Is that how he speaks to Baloyi? No, he doesn't. He doesn't speak to Baloyi like that. And I really, really don't like it. And I feel good it's uncalled for. There's no need for it. So yes, as I'm still saying, DPP, he knows exactly where he's getting the money from. You understand? Mvula was hot again today. Just here and there, Shem now, baby, Bambeg and go by. You know what happens? Uhurata is on top of him. He's just like, there was the stage. It's the witness is still talking. Guys, really? There's no need for this. Baloyi, can you continue? Can you just tell us if this is fine? It's not fair, that thing. I really don't get it. And Ministry Mvula Wetu is exposing that this is hogwash at its best. Insofar as, you know how it goes on Ukininde. And it comes back again, Leanto Kelly, the relationship here can accuse number 5, Officer Gutlentoli. Hey, but going to Officer Gutluzo pick up and also Kuluma no mapisa on the side. Like when is this guy going to stop with the lies? Like how accused number 1 was looking at Gininda Gabi Uguti Hashem. No, Zenzel. Guys, you know, on my community channel, I said, oh, Brigadier Gininda. Because I was talking about accused number 1, Umuzi Sbiyaga Kulu. So I was just saying, hey, this guy came and turned the lives of these accused upside down, guys. I'm just like, what? Like, feel life and messed up my life. That's exactly what Ukininde did to these families. And you remember last year, I used to say, Iguti, it's so crazy how he's taken food from these families. He took like for example, Luma Pisa guys, he was taking care of the family like Inganzama Pisa. I think 2 of them. The sister is actually looking after them. Guys, Lomuntu has messed up with people's life in a way that you never understand unless we family member abantu. Kono waze wathi uMaphiso accused number 4 yini nje angayenza kubani. Like it's just so crazy, guys. Side we are born ukuthi life is so unfair, you know. And then bese kuba ile relationship kaKelly no accused number 5, guys. I mean, like honestly, guys, when is it going to stop? Ibuyile futhi leyo ndaba again. Kusho lead investigator yethu lana Brigadier Gininda. No, Brigadier Gininda, guys, yazi ukuthi kanjani. Wa dronkega. O itse ba re motho wa dronka. Basho Brigadier Gininda o dronkwa yini? Ile yandaba leyana yokuthi ayivawa mina ne-entourage yakho muhola nomugano ngine power ngeke uzungenze next. You'll never do anything to me. So nje please, what are you gonna do? Even namanje still on the tape yokuthi ngeke ngithinte. Yeah. Uyohamba uzobe mncane kanjalo. Uthi it's during investigation that he found ngoba umbuzile umnisi ukuthi wena wathola kanjani le ndaba zalabantu abawu2 ukuthi bayazana njengoba uthi bake bakhuluma nini nge15 zika October of 2014 ubazela lapho nezindaba zabo. What Brigadier Kininda, during my investigation, ngathola ukuthi these two, they are actually talking, or they were talking. Accused number 5, he was speaking to Kelly, and Kelly, they had a communication actually, basically, with accused number 5. And then ngathola ukuthi phone kaKelly khona izinto ayidelethile that were communicating no-accused number 5. Guys, le nto ayizwakala kuze kwathuleke court, like, please, ukhuluma ngani? You made this up. And the cameras went straight to Fisokudlo, accused number 5, like, ukhuluma ngani bhuti? But sesovuma nje angithi kuphethe wena vele. Usiphethe zonke, basically. You think you're king right now. Ungabusa for now. But I think those guys bafila kanjani. Like whatever. Uthi, so we retrieved the information after Kelly deletile the information, the communication basically when they were talking together about accused number 5 and Kelly Khumalo. Yeah, ngathi Kelly delete, and then they tried to retrieve it again, and then they got it. Guys, Judge Ratha athi yebo uSteni wakhuluma, but my thing is that you remember uSteni is also a liar. Wakwaletha umntana kuKhosi. They've also lied, and in those they were not genuine at all, those things. They were very, very unclear and vague. There was nothing there to put together. To a point where Pinky Vitalingen did mention there ukuthi labo bantu labo abakaze baye next to the crime scene. All 5 of them, guys, they were cleared on that, but we're still continuing. Ububona ukuthi like ayikho into eseqhubekayo. So sisasomnye 10 years, and njengamanje we are actually very near to October. 11th year is coming, but see, you can just cause we solve. It's just like we're going around circles. What are we even doing? Ubalo stood up twice, guys, to come to rescue Brigadier Kininda. I say, no, e-witness, he can't be asked those questions, it's unfair. No rata fakazi. Urata. Shame. As I show umnisi, there were discrepancies on those things as I khulunywa Ustein Atubalo, they went. Because they were though. Many times Ustein lied. For this guy, I'm busy. And then he must come back from George. No, it's a lot for us. We can't do that. And then they were not true, Stein's findings. There was nothing there. It did not match that of Pinky Vitalingen. And there was a Vodacom, so we believe it. And then bese kuba ile bag imali, ukumele the bag of money afisa ukuhle kanjani ithombe sika Kininda ayicreateile ngimahazi ukuthi ithathe of a lot of money in a transparent see-through basically plastic. Oh guys, yabona leyani. Abesethu umnisi, again this question has been asked guys so many times, did they have the contractual, so basically it was a contractual assassination lento le. Avumi brothers, okay, that's it could have been into kanjalo. And akasabi futhi ukuyivuma le nto ukuthi vele they came into an agreement ukuthi bazombulala and noKelly involved mastermind. Guys, like which story is it? Because my thing is that it's those 6 people who were in the house that must tell us exactly what happened to Senzo Meyo. And they were in the house. Kininda wasn't there. He only came in 2019 or something like that, and he started investigating a case. Guys, like, it's so crazy. I mean, this is why it's like just like what's going on. I'm just like, what is this? What are you even doing? And you must go, brothers, answers for days, and then you are starting now to answer izinto angabuzwanga zona esekhuluma ngo XD bani. It was like, please stop. Like, I didn't ask you those things. Nangibuza nje kuphela ukuthi labantu babevumelene ukuthi bazobulala Senzo Meyo. Uthini umthetho wakho? What are you saying? Kelly no accused number 5. Ne cellphone kaKelly ngazwakala iSamsung emhlophe eyagcinisa itholakala nini. It was behind the door. Guys, it needs to stop. The lies at some stage nje ngathi ngavala amadlebe kuthiwa no sikhathele ezumzansi anisiyeke ngamanga. So guys, my thing is that they must just leave labantu abawu5 guys concentrate kwamanye amacala abo. Yakhumbula ngishilo nona Monday ukuthi they do have amacala abo. Accused number 5 namacala akhe. Can they concentrate on that? Not Senzo. They did not delete Senzo labantu boba 5. And then yakhumbula ukuthi uGilinda futhi has gaslighted us a lot of times. I don't understand why Mzansi believed that there were no intruders. That's a theory that Mzansi has believed. Honestly, please stop. Like, fanele ukuthi nje kuvele kuze bonke abantu lishabani must come. Bonke those people must come there. And then uJosh Rathi ukhulumelana noMngomezulu elibelethi, hayi why sawuzombiza uShabani. I'm just like, please just leave him to rest in eternal peace. Ungena kuphi wena? Ngoba you didn't even go to his funeral. You don't care about Mngomezulu. Please stop pretending. The people there in that court are so pretentious. It's not even funny. Like akuhlekisi, ka pretendwa nje, ka ngena ngapha kuphunywa ngapha. Dlalo nje ngoma ngasenzo meyo. She can't get ubulungiswa for umntanakhe because abantu basile. Then they're not called to order. Ba possibly General CB, why can't they just control this thing? Mese kufanele ukuthi bay control it or avoid it or whatever. Patricia Mashale mese ba exposer say usebe yambambisa, but when she goes to Mangaung or Bloemfontein High Court, akaqhamuka uSibi uthumelela uGeneral Sibi uthumelela ilawyer yakhe. Uyabona guys ukuthi people who are high up there, they think bazohlala lapho phezulu, and inenyoni iyehla izophuza amanzi laphansi. So sibeke lapho for now guys. Thank you so much for always supporting me. Nginthanda over.